So hello everyone, this is Shirasaj Pronunci with AppedXCI, and today I welcome you to a very high value Bolt.new course where I'll tell you how to build micro SaaS and how to build landing pages that actually convert for again completely free. So it will be a complete masterclass. I'll just show you a few of my works that I've done. So this is my own website, which is rapidxci.com. This thing was built off Bolt. It was a pain in the ass, but just looks crazy. So you could type in your phone number and you'll also get a demo call, and you could just test out the voice agent. So yeah, this is completely done by AI. I cannot believe it because it's like it used to take so much time for developers to come up with this, and now it's just we help you win, blah blah, blah, team Bravo, team Alpha. So there are two options to choose from, and it's all interactive text, so it's also cool. And the best part is that this cursor and the background illumination, it's just crazy. So customer support, cost savings, some increase in lead generation, about rapid XAI, trusted by industry leaders. So this is like my website that I've built with Bolt. And if you're looking to build something like this or even better, you're at the right place. So we got different pages: Team Alpha, Team Bravo, Team Delta, Team Papa Bear, about. It's me and my co-founder Yash. Where the photo is not loading, I don't know. Check that later. AI teams, contact, fill up a contact form, get a quote. You just jump on the call with me. You can also get like free B2B leads if you want. Uh, just a lead magnet, you could say. For Educate XCI, this is of my educational service, which you guys are free to explore. So this is like my complete, you could say, this one was also done by AI. So yeah, kudos. Choice is yours. Price is increasing soon. So it's like a pretty basic courses. I'd say it's all on the courses and stuff like that. So about page, it's empty. Contact, join now. So once you click on join now, you'll just be asked a few questions. This is one for a marketing agency. So yeah, I mean, I did a pretty great job here as well. One of my clients. So yeah, I mean, it just looks cool. We got this one. This one is for consulting services, RS Consulting, one of my clients again. This one is for 4 Agents AI. All of these websites, they have a crypto vibe with a 3D element, but I just like to keep a 3D element just to make the website feel more premium and appealing. So yeah, looks cool. I mean, you don't need to buy, you don't need to even consult $1,000 web design services. You could just do it, just speak it into existence, just type it into existence. That's how cool this shit is. And you guys are at the very right place. You could literally sell this for $1,000, like these kind of web designs. Like, it's just crazy how good AI has become. We just like, you know what, like I'll be cold calling people. I'm thinking I'll make a video where I'll cold call people and try to sell this service. So what you could do is you could just say, hey, you know what, guys, I'll get you a demo landing page. If you don't like the demo landing page, you don't buy the whole website. And that way, if you just build a demo landing page, you just tie down the person. So in sales, there's this term called tie down. Tie down refers to, let's just say you commit to visit the car dealership on XYZ date. They'll just call you. The same way, you just need to get the person to say yes. Yeah, sure, just send me the demo website, and then the person is tied down. Then you just send the person the website. Oh, sir, do you like it? No, you don't like it. Oh, never mind. I'll just do the changes. What, you do not like it? Let's just build a website. Conversion rates could go by 20%, 30%. That's sales. You could just nail it. So some crazy shit. This is also done with AI. One of my clients again, she just loved the website, and I just invest a lot of time into doing this one. So yeah, all of these were done pretty fast. I mean, these were done in like, I don't know, 4 to 5 hours max. And yeah, so this is like a global KOL community. I've got these influencers, services, and services. They got like a whole host of services here. It's all different like pages, but they just look absolutely stunning, which I just love about this. So yeah, absolutely stunning pages, and they could just book a free consultation. So yeah, it's all there. We got all of this here behind the scenes, and yeah, I mean, some so this thing could build you like some pretty high value stuff. So Yeah, I mean, let's just get to it. So we go to ChatGPT because in this particular thing, you just need to, like, let's just say, um, like, you just need to do a bit of back and forth with ChatGPT to get the perfect prompts. Because prompt writing, like, Bolt can also refine your prompts, but it does the best job, being honest. So let me think of what kind of website I'm planning to make. Mm, maybe you could make a landing page for AI agency. I was thinking of like building a landing page that was separately made or was like specifically tailored to selling AI powered cold callers or AI powered customer support, something along those lines. So let me think. I can make a landing page on AI powered cold callers, maybe. Yeah, I could say, yeah, replace your cold callers with. Mm-hmm. Okay, we could do that, or we could do like AI powered customer support. Let's just do AI powered cold callers. I mean, we're just doing it off the whim, so I don't care. So first thing is, you gotta prep. You gotta Okay. So let me just tell you this: the design needs to be here before it's there. The design needs to be here before it's there. So gotta think of the design. What are you gonna add into a design? What it's gonna be like? Have you got an inspiration? What are you thinking to do? You gotta get it all in here before it goes there. So there's this website called Dribble, Dribble.com. So they have a whole host of cool website designs that I really love. So I'll just search for AI cold calling. Verify to trust. Shit. This one looks amazing. Okay. Now the problem here is that this thing uses a lot of motion graphics. We don't have the budget, unfortunately, for. So but being honest, I just really love this. I really love this. Like, maybe you could add energizing. Let's just keep the let's just keep the theme of a AI website to green, like leaf green, stuff like that. Hmm. I need. Yep. This looks sexy, but unfortunately, I cannot. So there's this thin line between what's possible and what's not possible. So I'm looking at something that's possible. Like, this thing utilizes a lot of 3D elements. Now look, if you were to spend more time with Bolt, you might also get an option to like utilize 3D elements into the website. But for now, let's just keep it simple. I mean, not like too simple, but somewhere in the middle, like a middle ground. We're on Dribble, okay? Sheesh. I like this. I like this. Something like this with a green. Okay, get in touch. Yeah, single CTM. So I learned a few things over the course of my journey about landing pages. They should have a singular CTA, not multiple CTAs. First of all, that's like the first thing. It should either be get a demo, it should either be get in touch. So however you like it. So let's just go to chat. Let's just go to Canva. What should be the tagline, the headline? Custom. I need a whiteboard. So we're planning to sell AI cold calling systems and AI voice agents, something along those lines. Scalable infrastructure for enterprise. We could just add stuff like that. So hmm, I don't think I even need a whiteboard. I'll just get right to doing it. Okay, so I need to find a competitive website. Being honest, AI cold calling services. Let's just see which. Call Fluent. Okay, we got Call Fluent. We got 11 Labs. Sales and AI. Okay. Sales skin. They got a shit website with all due respect. Inside is no, wait, what the hell? I'm not the best part. The best part about this, there's not even a website in our niche, which means the niche is ripe. The niche is just ready to attack. It's like wide open niche. And all the people that have website, they got some shitty websites. So yeah, we win. We win. We could easily like get onto this sales mind AI. Yep. Yeah, that's complete dog shit. So I need to. So we did not find someone in a particular I say niche. So we might need to find. This looks stunning. Shit. Hmm. Being honest, I need something like that. That just looks. Sheesh. I like it. I like that. You know what? Let's just grab this. I don't care. So now things have become so easy. All you gotta do is just grab, copy the chat GPT. So there's a predefined prompt. First, the first prompt that we're gonna give chat GPT would be I am planning page slash. So this particular prompt prepares the AI, like prepares ChatGPT to what it's gonna tackle, and we just don't want to overburden it. So let's just let him cook. Like let's just heat up the pan before we start cooking. So yes sir, yes sir. AI built with websites. Okay. So now there are a few prompts that we should be using. So these are a few pre-made prompts that I've used and I have been using for a while now. So these are like some saved prompts. I'll just show you how the prompts look. So this is the prompt. This is the first prompt that we'll be using. Building a website with Bolt. I'll paste it here. Okay, great. Now create a detailed description that I can provide to Bolt to create a landing page for my AI automation agency called RapidX AI. Do I want to name? Okay, I mean, yeah, it's RapidX. So yeah, I mean that's like a RapidX Ventures. That has a similar appearance too. Now I need to add a website to give this AI agent a reference, like give this AI a reference of what we're looking at. Hmm. Some we need to think of a good website. Okay, so I mean these guys are selling AI cold callers, but these guys are not selling explicitly AI cold callers, which is weird. Fireflies AI, okay, Fireflies AI. Best Google Calendar integration, Fireflies. That's kind of weird. I mean, I don't even know what these guys are even doing. Synthflow AI. Huh. Okay. Synthflow is just excessively expensive. I mean, I don't know why people even like use this. It's just bullshit. And I mean, they got a mid website. I wouldn't even say it's a great website. Even I can do that. Being honest, I could just reply my friend and say, "Your feature is here. Just call to experience it." I mean, that looks like a great one. I think I should. I'll just note that to do the change on my end. Okay, so the website would be similar to OXYZ. So it's like a website that yep, Sovereign Super AI OXYZ. Even though I don't know anything about it, the website looks good. What's the docs about? Like, what is this even about? I don't even know. But yeah, I'm the first of a kind, son. This is unbound by any power, born of code. It shaped by vision, designed to lead, evolve. Uh-huh. Wow, that's some crazy shit. First AI CEO. These guys are just like cooking something big, being honest, but yeah. And similar pens to OXYZ, visually attached screenshot. Sleek black cyan and green. Yep, yes sir, green. With modern techie vibe. And what should the headline be? Headline should be AI calls AI that calls books calls qualifies and books on auto pilot question mark. Wow, I just messed up a goddamn spelling. Qualifies and books. The question mark is just to add intrigue. I mean, I'm not. Uh, it's just to add intrigue that hey, is it possible? Blah blah blah. So yeah, I don't think I should have enabled this. Wait, I need to do this again. This time we'll just disable the Google search, the web search function. Deep black, okay, green, neon green, okay, perfect. I'd say leaf green would be better. Yeah. Okay, anyway, we'll just change the color later. Mm-hmm. Heck, wait, I just forgot. I didn't give my guy the reference. Okay, I think I cannot give it now. I need to give it again. Just copy this. We'll just see how this goes. So now I've given it the reference image, as well as the sleek modern. Okay. Design guidelines. Okay, that's cool. That's some. Wait. I don't think I asked for something like this. Okay. Okay. I mean, okay. This looks promising. Just copy the whole thing. Copy. Go to Bolt. Paste. Paste the text. Paste the image. Because Bolt also has vision capability, so it could see what you just pasted and build something according to that. And say, I'll start it off with build a website based off the following. Now I'll just hit go, and now it should build me a very shitty website that I need to iterate and improve over time, and let's just see how this goes. So I think for this video, for this one I'll make it only for the website, just because I think it's gonna take a while. And yeah, I mean, this one's gonna be a long one. I'm thinking of like 1.5 hour. I mean, I just want to keep it short, but you gotta follow everything while I'm doing here. Another cool thing that I would like you guys to know is that if you could go on Pinterest, so just go to Pinterest now, home feed. So best part is that I just like search out for all these designs and stuff like that. So yeah, I mean, you got this, you got that. So maybe okay. Okay, green modern website background. I never knew Pinterest had these things, and I'm just blown. I think maybe I'll grab this. This looks kind of kind of aesthetic. Maybe I'll grab this. I could just copy the image, being honest. Copy image. But I think GIF. Moving. Moving GIF, you could type all of that, and then this does not look very settling. Apologies for the yawning. It is 4 in the morning, so I'm bound to feel a bit tired, but no words on that. Let's get the thing. Get the show on the road. This is something that, okay, I'm inclined towards. I don't know why. Will it look good? So there's a I'd say, wait. So how do I explain this? A good website may not convert, and a bad website may convert. That's a simple difference. So I've seen websites that are stunning, but they do not convert. At the same time, I've seen simple websites with simple text that convert. So we have to find a bottom line where it converts and it also looks good. Then it's like the perfect website. It's like the holy grail of website designing. It's like it should look good, it should look professional, it should look expensive. At the same time, it should also convert, which is gonna be a pain. Being honest, I don't think I'll add so much of motion, and like that just looks sickening. So I'll just use this. Copy image. Copy image address. Bolt.new. Okay. It does not look bad, being honest. It looks kind of cool. Ooh, ooh. Okay. I think this might not be the best one for the particular. Okay. What's this? Damn, this is so cool. If I could get that in green, that would have been just badass. I need to find for like a green background, which needs to be aligned with my views, my perspective, or my vision, however you want to say that. Let me check. I don't find anything here, being honest. Ooh. Okay. Looks like I might need to get something off myself. Even though I hate it, I might not mind it that much. This looks kind of cool. The hexagonal shapes. I could get this without the text, that would be great. But so again, the reason I'm spending so much time here is not because shit that looks straight out of a movie. I can use that technically. Copy image address. Use the following image as hero section background. Also make the website more sleek, techy, and nicer font, pill shaped header with the logo, and get started button on either sides of the website, not with the header. So now, I just gave it the most elaborate prompt I could. Now let's just see how it's gonna react. This is too dark. Perfect. So AI is taking its time to comprehend our instructions. Now, many times you could just like write something short and let Bolt elaborate on its own. But I've seen that's not the best way to do it, because Bolt over elaborates stuff which is not something that I like, being honest. So let's see what did we got here. So preview takes time to load, but once it's shit, that does not look bad, being honest. That does not look ugly. I just wanna maybe, just the darkness behind that. If you could reduce that, that would be great. I'll just say remove the sub headline. Remove the sub headline. I'll just like give the reference to the sub headline, like what is it in the sub headline, stuff like that. Book a demo. Convert the get started button to book a demo. AI that calls qualifies and books on autopilot. Maybe I can make the word calls, books, and qualifies rotate. So it's like AI books books on autopilot. Then after a few seconds, the books will change into qualifies. Then it will change into calls. So that's always sick. We could also add like a typewriter. So that's gonna be. I think these guys could improve the header. The header's looking shit. Okay. I think it didn't actually understood what I was trying to say. So wait, can I get something like this? Can I get a header like this? That would be so sick. Get me a header similar to the picture. There should be no background for the header. I mean, we are only 30 minutes in and it already looks damn cool. If it could get me that, I'll be more than happy. Like, I'll be happy to move forward with the rest of the stuff. So I'll just tell you the rest of the prompts that we need to add. So wait. So this is one of the prompts that I think. Yes, this is the rest of the prompt that we need to add after the first prompt. Keep good skills and my AI agency offers AI voice solutions. I think that's all my AI agency offers. I'm sorry, I don't offer all that shit and stuff. So, which qualify, call and book appointments on autopilot. I think I should add a few metrics that an average cold caller charges you. I think I need to do a case study and then add it. Then that's gonna be banger. So wait, I'll just think of that something. Wait. So I mean, I could just. I got a few ideas. Let's go. Okay. Right. A case study for replacing cold callers with AI, considering every cold caller is paid $25 an hour. I'd say $30 an hour on average for 6-hour work days. calculate the month and make. Can a cold caller make 100 calls at max? That's the question. I personally can't make 100 calls at max. So let's assume he's a superhuman cold caller and makes 100 calls a day. On average, work for 6 hours, 6 hour work days, makes 100 calls a day versus an AI calling system that automates calling, follow ups, lead qualification, and booking, and can make 1,000 plus calls with a single click. This case study better be good so that and then we could also. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, it knows what I'm talking about, it knows what I'm talking about. Whew. You know what, now I think this is going to be a banger, so might as well just copy this, copy the whole thing, paste it into chat gpt, use the following case study into the sales, into the landing page copy. This way we are just making our targeting, like we know who we're targeting here. Here's a section above the fold, instantly grab attention. Sub headline, okay. I like that. I like that. I like the response. Okay, it did what I asked exactly. I think refine the logo a bit. Also add a green diamond besides about pricing, contact, and blog in the header. Okay, based off that looks cool. By Rapidex. All looks good till here. Even though I think the green background looks unprofessional now that I look at it. Gotta think of something. Maybe I could have a green background and like some moving shit like this. I don't know. Think smart, live easier. hmm I don't think it actually understood my prompt, or is it still doing it? Okay. Okay, that looks kind of cool. Let's just say, okay, I want rotating text for AI that calls qualifies and books. This text should be rotating in typewriter style with on autopilot being as it is. Also remove the background image. So the crux here is that you're supposed to tell AI what you're thinking about. It's not that hey, AI might not be able to do it. Just tell AI. Just try telling AI what you're thinking about, and then AI is kind of advanced nowadays, so it could most probably do what you're thinking about. And if it cannot do what you're thinking about, tell ChatGPT that AI cannot do what you're thinking about, and then ChatGPT will help you with that. Crazy stuff idea. Let's just see how that goes. Okay, it didn't do shit. Wait, what? Is this something wrong? Okay, AI that calls on autopilot. That's what I'm. That's what I was talking about. Shit, this thing reads my mind. Shit, reads my mind. This thing actually reads my mind. Now I'm thinking of 3D element that will look cool here. 3D element. Let's just think. Let's just open 3D shapes. Green crescent, maybe a green diamond. Torus sphere. I have to think about it for a second. I'm looking for a shape. Look, so I'll just show you what I was thinking. This Think Smart, keep me AI assistant. So in here, there needs to be something that I could add here. I don't know what I could add here. That's the problem. Just close all of these. This does not even matter right now. A star. I think star would be overused. I've used star a lot. Not a star. Then star would look childish. Diamond. A green diamond sounds cool, but again, diamond would be hard to render. So there are a few things to consider here. AI might not be able to be render a diamond with third.js. So that's something that we need to consider. At the same time, I don't mind trying. Maybe you could have a cone, maybe you could have apple, something that's easy. Let's just go for diamond. Let's say, yeah. I want a 3D rendered diamond besides the headline on the right side. I want a 3D rendered diamond besides the headline on the right side. It should be green and should rotate on its y-axis. Like, this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis, just so you guys know. It's y-axis and should interact with mouse movements. Also give a custom green cursor to the mouse. As I could see, we are back to business. uh So yeah, it was using Three.js for that, and I'm just kind of unsure of its ability here. But let's just see. Hmm. Let's see. So installing dependencies. No, that might slow down our website. That's the issue. So anyone that has visited my website, as you could see, there's a background rendering stuff like that. That thing slows down the website. So you need to I'd say make a either it's a trade. I wouldn't say it's a trade off, but it's like you have to make maybe yeah, either you want your website to be easy to use, easy to learn, easy to view on the website, on the platforms, or do you want to just flex how good the website could be? Like for RapidX AI that I've built for myself, the blue one, the cyan one, my sole purpose was to flex how good of a website designer I am, which I know I'm pretty great one. So yeah, fixing file. Okay, that's kind of weird. Anyway, so yeah, I'm obviously running on a paid plan. This is not a free plan. A free plan would have been exhausted like after the second prompt. So yeah, this is obviously a free plan, just so you guys know. And yeah, I mean you gotta buy like $20 subscription, but once if you can make $2,000 from that $20, would you be willing to spend $20? That's the question. Because if yes, then just do it. Because you can sell these websites for God knows how much. God knows how much. Like you could just throw the web design agencies out of market with this, because at this point you just speak to the computer is going to just build whatever you're thinking about, and some crazy shit. Now I think I should just start working on the body. That looks kind of cool. Now that's not a diamond, first of all. That's some BS. Okay, I think this thing needs a bit of clarity on what a diamond is. So let me just give this thing a bit of clarity here. Not a video, I'd prefer photo. What? This is called a diamond, god damn it. 3D render. It should be shiny and big besides the headline. So you gotta sometimes tell AI this is a diamond, and not like diamond is like you could just make a square, or you could just keep a square and flip it like this, and it's a diamond. So it's not a diamond, but yeah. It's doing its magic. It's doing its AI magic. Let's just see. Fonts, Google Sheets. I think I need to add another prompt. I'll tell you another secret prompt that will save you a lot of tokens. Save a ton of tokens. What the fuck? I can't even see that. Wait, heck. The brightness too low. Shit. Okay. Separate the code into smaller files for better maintainability, logistics, and less token consumption. Make code into small files. Separate and arrange the code. And I know there's a hell lot of typos here, but I mean AI is smart enough to understand through the typos, which is like some scary shit, but still. So AI is gonna just look at, okay, let me just break down the code. So what happens is, the reason why tokens are required is because so AI is going to take tokens to write the code. Even if it changes a single word in the code, it's going to take tokens to like write the whole code again. So instead of like making AI write the whole code like from top to bottom again, I'll just chunk the code into small chunks. That way, if there's a problem in this chunk, AI will only write this code and not the whole code. If that makes sense. So I'm telling AI to do whatever it needs to be done, and let's see. Okay, I cannot. What the that is not a diamond. That is not a diamond beat, first of all. Arrange the 3D element. Wait, what's the problem? I think first we need to fix this. So yeah, whenever there's an error from Bolt, just grab the error, paste it here, and just type fix. Bolt knows what to fix. Like Bolt will just see the screenshot and be like, okay, yeah, there's something wrong in the preview, and it's gonna fix that. I think it's doing its magic. There's another. What the hell? Terminal error. That's weird. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I don't think that's a diamond. First of all, I think. Wow. What the. Phone is not defined. Okay, that's some zesty shit. So if it does not fix here, we can simply revert back to, I don't know. Hmm. Well, when it didn't had a error, and that way we could just make it work. Let's see. I think that adding a diamond was a bad idea. But yeah, I mean, it usually works, being honest. So you could add like a 3D element, you could add any 3D element of your choice. I've used a torus, so I've used a torus on torus is like the ring, donut shape. I use that on landing dot for agents AI, so cannot reuse the same thing, right? Arrange the 3D element and headline side by side like this. Now I'm gonna grab the screenshot. I think taking screenshots on these websites should become illegal, because you could just simply take a screenshot, tell AI, hey, this is what I'm looking for. Like, I think soon there would be like some laws that you cannot screenshot XYZ, because once you screenshot, you just you could just give it to AI, and AI could just replicate it like this. So some crazy shit, man. See. So yeah, again, I mean, AI is taking its time. We just allow it to do its job. Improve the positioning and size of the 3D diamond. I think, yeah, the 3D diamond. I think the 3D diamond is acting a bit zesty to get it fixed. Shit. Okay. Think smarter. What was that? What we had? Change the headline back to AI that calls qualifies. Wait, what was like the the original prompt? Mm-hmm. AI that calls and qualifies, I think. That calls, qualifies books on autopilot. I know the spelling is wrong because I don't like that headline, even though I mean it tried to like make it similar to the screenshot. It didn't quite work out well. I'll also ask that thing to like do some changes to a diamond. The diamond is not looking very good. So the diamond is not looking like a diamond, like a diamond. Wait, I think it has built a diamond. The diamond is just too enlarged. So remove the background of the 3D diamond. Also reduce its size. I think that's like the only issue here, because that looks like a diamond. The background of the diamond, it just looks green, so it's not like something that we're looking for. I think I'll also add like a background glow, so wherever the cursor moves, a background glow is automatically added. Again, the crux here is just tell AI that add a background glow to my cursor hover. That's all. That is not a diamond. That is not a diamond under any case. Shit. What the hell is this? What the hell? Sheesh. Wait. Cannot approve of this. I'm sorry, I need to find something else. Cannot approve of that. So, hmm. Let's just try. What is this? Octahedron. An octahedron sounds cool. So, being honest, AI tried its best to emulate a diamond, like, like upside down two triangles, but it didn't work out well. And I had that doubt, but I just uh, didn't pay much attention to that. Maybe a wedge looks cool. A hemisphere looks cool. Cylinder, octahedron. Okay. Replace the 3D diamond with a 3D octahedron. I don't think the spelling is right. Let's gotta check octahedron. Okay. Mm-hmm. Also remove the subheadline. I'll search for green custom cursor. Custom cursor. This looks kind of cool. Mm-hmm. Imposter cursor. This looks cool. I'll save image. I don't even need to save. I'll just copy the image. Hell yeah, that looks hella clean. That looks hella clean, being honest. Make my cursor here to this. I mean, I don't still get a vibe, but it's still doable. Being honest, it's not like the best thing in the world, but I think I need to add like a background glow, a background greenish glow, because like the background looks kind of stale. Being honest, maybe I could add a grid, illuminating grid or something like that with. Not something that I'm looking for, but yeah, I mean, okay. What the? I mean, okay, it looks cool, cool as a cursor, but not something that I'm okay. Make the cursor a green triangle. Also, add greenish elements to the background. I think I might need a subtle green background. I cannot use like overly uh, something subtle, not like too overly green. Something like that that looks professional. Hmm, this looks kind of green. Hmm. I'm looking at green. Wait, what's this? Color psychology sheet. Obviously, I know that. Like it's green BG website. It has to be a tech website, so yeah, I mean, it should understand that. Okay, okay, that looks. Why is it like turning? Okay, now here's a little neat trick. I'll tell you guys. Turn the cursor triangle. Turn the cursor triangle 15 degrees, 15 degrees left. So it's going to slightly turn the cursor triangle, and then it's going to look like a real cursor. Pretty neat. I still gotta think of something for the background. The background looks stale as. Maybe I could add like green grids. Then I think the whole website is gonna get slowed down, but I don't care, being honest. So, uh-huh. I mean, it should look good. That's like the primary goal here. Should I add that? Should I add that? Okay, okay. It kind of looks doable. I'm not complaining here. Okay, I mean it does look like more like a cursor. It's okay. Add a grid. Add a greenish grid to the website bag. I don't think I need to add a greenish. That thing is gonna slow down the whole thing. I just don't like that. The idea of that. Should I add like glow? Like okay, you know what? Background that looks clean and professional and is illuminated by the cursor movements. Let's try this. Now I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna get here. I'm not expecting anything too cool, being honest. But let's just see. I think we're like nearly done with this. Now we could also add a webhook and stuff like that, but that thing goes towards the advanced part where you could just add a webhook, and then with the webhook you could do connections, stuff like that. You could do all that. You could do all of that stuff too. You could just turn this thing into like a mini SaaS, which is also possible. You could add You could save, you could do login via Google. You could, once you do login via Google, it's possible. Oh yeah, that looks kind of cool. That looks kind of sick. I'm not gonna lie, man. That looks kind of sick. I'd say increase the glow intensity of the background by 35%, and so the glow in intensity and the glow radius by 50%. That looks so sick. I'm not even like kidding at this. That looks straight out of like, I don't know, designer built that shit. It looks so cool. I think I'll make the color of the octahedron more lighter or more towards the greenish side. Maybe that's also possible. I'll get that done too. Okay. Let's just not hope it turns too greenish. Like that just gonna looks like that might look like Omnitrix and Benton and shit. So yeah. Guys, are you seeing this? Because if you're seeing this shit stop. Sheesh. Oh yeah, man. I'm just in love. Damn, son. I think it all looks kind of subtle, being honest. Okay. I'm happy. I'm a content person at this point. Maybe we could improve on the logo, but that's not very important. At the following section to the website include relevant graphs and charts where deemed necessary. Let's just see how this goes now. So yeah, I mean, we just build a banger in like, I don't know, 1 hour 3 minutes. Like, if you guys have been following me till now, this thing looks absolutely straight out of a designer's, what do you call it, like a designer's workshop. Something, some pretty dope and cool stuff here. I'm just blown away. And yeah, just use this to build your own. You know what, if you get this $20 plan, you can easily build 5 websites easily. So I mean, if you're just gonna stumble around and stuff like that, you'll still easily build 3 websites, no doubt, easy. So yeah, just get to it. Just learn Bolt ASAP and just start building. I mean, this shit is a future, and it's crazy. It's crazy stuff, man. I'm also thinking of like adding like a demo calling button, but uh, maybe we could do that. Maybe we could add that too. Uh-huh. Shit. Okay. Damn. I think this thing added a lot of stuff now, so I'm just kind of excited for this to load up. I'll get a domain. I'll get a new domain. I don't mind. I'll get a new domain. Add this on that, because this is unreal at this point. Okay, I think it's taking its fair share of time. I'll just look around until then, because like it just rendered and stuff like that. So yeah, I mean, we we achieved some good stuff here. I'm not quite sure what these guys are doing. Like X, what are these guys doing? I wanna know. Okay, this looks like some kind of meme coin shit. Okay, so these guys are like trying to decentralize. I don't know, like deep trying to decentralize. Shit, shit. Apologies for the cutoff. I think my storage got full. Anyways, if you could see, oh, this thing just nailed it. This thing just straight up nailed it. Traditional. Oh my god. No, hell no. That thing looks out of this world. Damn, you know what? Make this section more appealing. Add a roadmap kind of illustration if required. Make the graphs more sleek and professional. I'm just blown. I'm just blown at this moment. Like, look at that. Problem of traditional cold calling. Like, it just nailed it. So I don't know, man. Some crazy stuff. Wait. Well, that's some cool stuff, and I've still not done the recent. Like, I've still not done the rest of the part. Just copy this. I'll say add a section based off the following prompt. Based off the following prompt. Let's just see. So yeah, I've personally sold these websites for like $500, $700, $900, $1,500. Depends on what you're looking at, but yeah. Yep, yes sir. Oh shit, sheesh. Traditional. Ooh. Okay, I like that. So till now, it looks stunning, and we could improve it further. We could add webhooks. The webhook could send data back to a call, like you could just get a live call from an AI agent. That's also possible. Maybe we'll do that too, just for the sake of demonstration. I just enjoy making stuff, so yeah, man. I'll just pull up make, because like for some of you guys it might be too hard to understand this. But yeah, I mean, sheesh, it just looks crazy. Knocked out of the park. Like it just knocked it out of the park. It just looks too good. Ah, maybe I'll just add the rest of the traditional Rapidex. So I think this one is kind of messed up. I'm not kind of sure with that. But yeah, okay. Add another, add sections, paste of the following text. Okay, so we are also importing like framer motion, which is like framers. I think I'm not quite aware what framer motion is, but like it's also using that to build our website. So we are looking at some high standards of website being built here. Absolutely crazy. Ah, I'll just quickly get up a scenario where we could trigger and make calls. I don't think there's a need of IP restriction here, but yeah. Oh, I think for that part, I think I'll leave it for the in the SaaS one. I'll just show you how to do the APIs and stuff like that, and in that I'll tell you how to add it. I think I showed you guys in like a last video how to add like a wait. Oof, 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 oof. That thing looks damn cool. Okay, just finish it off with this. Add the remaining section. Oh wait, that looks weird. How did that thing came down here? I think I'll just say okay, make it more sleek and stuff like that, but it still looks very cool on a basic level. I don't know what else I could add here, but the flow is kind of cool. I like the flow. I like the flow of the whole website. Maybe yeah, we could work a bit on the flow as well. That hey, I think if all these pain points if they were more towards text oriented, that would have been better. But still works. I think I need to manually add like the attention grabber, you could say, XYZ, that okay. Then we could add like some big person that has said, hey, Liam Otley, maybe Nvidia's Hensung Wong said XYZ. We could add that as well. We could add all that stuff. So much to do here. Okay, there's a potential error. Just try solving that. Maybe I'll write I'll write like a good copy, and maybe I could just feed that to Claude. Claude will help us. Where's Claude? I want a copy written in style of, you know what, wait, try Black Evolution. This is my friend Aroha's agency. Shout out to that man, he's killing it here. I'll just grab his I'll just grab his. Okay, please watch the short video. You know, that guy, he just like wait. Ooh, I cannot actually find like try Black Pollution. Yeah, I think in here, like this guy wrote some excellent copy, which I will copy. Some random number. I don't want to expose my number, and yeah. Uh, at the rate a dot com dot com. Just see if this access the system. Like he just wrote like a great copy. Maybe I could just get inspiration from that. So this part, I just love this part of the whole copy. copy this, style of. Here is the content of the copy you are supposed to make in the above style and tone. Okay, copy. So just copy the copy. Okay, this is good morning. I'll add a text sequence somewhere here. So yeah, calls not to pilot. Okay, real results. Okay. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, that's what we're looking for. For sure. Add a text sequence right below the hero section with the following content. Add illustrations if felt necessary. Let's just see how that goes. Again, this is like, I'd say it's so much better. It's much better than any average, I'd say, copy. So yeah, I mean, you guys could just have a look at this and let me know what you guys think of this video. And yeah, I'll be dropping one on how to make micro SaaS, which is also like a great industry. Like if you can build SaaS for agencies, they'll just pay you $50,000, $70,000, like just to build a SaaS. Because SaaS, like, okay, so it's a micro SaaS. It wouldn't be a full scale SaaS, because if you want to build a full scale SaaS, you will need backend developers, because your backend has to be so strong that any, like, even if 1,000 people, even if 100,000 people were to jump on your website tomorrow, the website should not crash. As simple as that. Yes sir. Math is simple. Shit. Okay. I'm pretty impressed with this. When I click on deploy, I'll just see the whole thing deployed on Netlify. You could just get a URL, and then I'll also show you how to get this on a custom domain. And yeah, I'll just create a whole Bolt.new masterclass. So first I'll just create part 1 for websites, and I'll create a part 2 for SDRs, for SaaS. Then I'll just combine them, both of them, and make, like, an AI masterclass on how to use Bolt.new and make money. Because you could just say, you know what, guys, I'll get you a landing page in 5 minutes. If you don't like it, you don't keep it. Like, if you like it, you keep it. If you don't like it, you don't keep it. We never talk again. That's like a perfect sales pitch. Like, that's like a dream sales pitch for anyone, like for any business owner. So yeah. So once the deployment is done, you could just open a link. You'll get a link here. You just open that. I think it's very late at my end. So yeah. Anyways, cheers. Thanks for watching, and yeah, follow for more. Drop me any suggestions or comments in the comment section. Join my Discord server where we have a chat, and I'm always there to help you guys in there. Thanks for watching. Follow for more. So hello peeps, I'm just continuing the video just because I wanted to complete this and make this like the best website that I've ever built. So yeah, I'm just onto that goal. For starters, I need to change the logo because the logo is not very appealing, being honest. I think, yeah. Okay, I'll just type. Wait, shit. The logo should have a green X. X. that represents AI's so something along those lines, yeah, just to make the logo better. And I'm not quite satisfied with the 3D element. I don't know why. I am uh, very satisfied. I think I should add a demo form instead, because I mean this does look good, but maybe I'm not satisfied with the color. Also make the color of the of the octahedron a bit more brighter green. Also increase its interactivity with the cursor. Just see how this one goes, because again, I mean, I'm just not a huge fan of this color. It looks kind of dull, being honest, and I want it like more bright. So it's doing the job. Sovereign Super AI built by the NASA, PayPal, Ethereum, Binance, Amazon. Shit. Powered by Ethereum, Solana, Ionet, X, Starlink. Expressors and controls it. Okay. Just super intelligence. The O Agents platform. We got 5 errors. God damn it. Okay. Becomes CEO. Wow, that's some cool stuff. So like we are at phase 1 at the moment, then we have O coin launch and stuff like that. So that's some cool stuff, man. Become an AI agent. Invest in AI infrastructure, get fractionalized NFT ownerships. Okay. I mean, this is not a promotion video, but I just like the concept. So yeah, it looks very cool. Shit, the color is still not something that I'm looking for, but yeah, it looks cool. Rapid XCI. Okay, I think I might need to get like a proper logo for this thing. But yeah. Add a X besides every header button, like about, pricing, contact, and blog. So X, it would look like a bit more, I'd say, appealing, because right now, I mean, you can barely see there is anything here. Maybe at the end I should add like a $5,000 payment, something like that, where you could just get AI agent. You could make X amounts of call. Let's just say 1,000 calls a day. Yeah, 1,000 calls a day, and then you could just scale the calls as you go bigger and bigger and stuff like that. Okay, looks very cool. I need to remove this. Okay, I'll also remove this whole. I need to grab a snipping tool. Sometimes if like Bolt does not listen to your instruction, just grab like the snipping tool here. Grab this whole thing. Copy this, paste it here. Remove the whole section. Done. So the whole section will be removed, and then you're left with. I mean, I just don't like it because it's like between the sales flow. Like the sales flow is like, it's just breaking the sales flow, which I'm not quite happy about. So yeah. Okay. Being honest, X. Okay. That looks cool. That looks cool. I'm gonna lie. Okay. I think I might need to highlight these. Shit, it still looks kind of cool. Being honest. Okay. Why choose RapidX? Yeah, we got a lot of stuff. Massive cost. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah, I think under the ready to automate section, I think you can add something to the lines of I could add a pricing model. Maybe most probably we could add a pricing model. Let's see how that works. Yeah. So wait. Let me just grab. Uh, Let me think. Wait. So we need to craft an offer that is compelling to the person that's gonna buy our product. So let's just see. Add a pricing carousel. I think I can make this thing like a whole SaaS if possible. Like I could make this a complete SaaS. That sounds cool, but like again, I'm not the best person to like we can build a micro SaaS, but we cannot build like full fledged SaaS. That would just not make sense. So at a pricing catalog, let me just analyze the flow of the website. So the math is simple. Hmm. You know what? I'll just grab a hex speaker. I'll say what this color is called. The diamond should be of this color. It should be bright and radiate neon light. I'm just not quite satisfied with the diamond. Everything else is cool. I'm not just quite satisfied with the diamond. I'm spending a lot of tokens on the diamond, but that's like the start of the whole hero section. If it's messed up, then it won't look good. Mm-hmm. A secondary mesh. Okay, that's cool. Oh shit. Okay, that's not something that I'm looking for. I'll say remove the secondary mesh. Secondary from the diamond. Add a very small green line over the headline that says RapidX AI agents. AI voice agents. So like I just don't want the mesh. The mesh looks messy, and I'm not a huge fan of the mesh and stuff like that. I'll add a small line above that. I'm quite not also convinced with the flow of the website. Let me just check. Wait. So I usually like to refer to Aroha's website just because it's kind of cool. I know this guy has built it on GHL, but like you could if you could get like inspiration from someone like from your competitor, that's always better than trying to come up with your own ideas. So and yeah, these numbers are not real. These are just fake numbers. So. hmm I think I need to add something like this in here. So like right out for this, I need to add like a few validation stuff like that. Okay, let me check. Okay, I'm pretty convinced. I'm pretty convinced. I'm okay. Maybe I should add like right between this and this. I might need to add something like Jensen Wong said or something along the lines of wait. So I need to back this up with social proof that people are leaning towards cold callers. So calling predictions, predictions by people. Looking to post, looking to the past. Okay. Cannot find like someone who stood up for AI cold calling, which is kind of weird. But yeah, famous. Or I'll just ask ChatGPT. You know what? I'll just ask ChatGPT. Most people and quotes. Something that makes sense. If Sam Altman looks good, this looks good. Gary Vaynerchuk looks good. Future of everyone feels much less human. The Wolf of Wall Street. Jeff Bezos. I think I only need five. Being honest, I don't need all of this. So add the following testimonials of people. So add the following testimonials of people between your cold calling operation is bleeding money. This one's cool. And problem with traditional cold calling. Oh wait, yeah, this looks cool. I need to establish authority between section between because a person will not like keep reading unless he finds authority or something that okay. So large people like large groups and organizations are saying that hey, uh, experts believe that AI is gonna AI is gonna do the cold calling. So why would they like even bother to read? So you have to make them bother to read so that they will read something along those lines. So yeah. I hope this thing also fetches their photos because if it cannot, it's gonna be a nightmare. Fine. I mean, I think this should be able to fetch their photos, maybe Sam Altman, stuff like that. Hmm. Just see. So I personally loved his funnel. That's why I'm just not even to say copy, but I'm just looking at it and say, okay, how can I implement this at my own end? Like even I have like a lot of cold calling calls. I could add them all. Being honest, hear it yourself. Number one, cold calling system. Yeah, I mean anyone could be a self-proclaimed number one. I could just grab all of this. Okay, I cannot grab this one maybe. Yeah, I think it's like a GHL problem that you cannot grab this. But yeah, I will grab it and I'll say yeah. Repurpose for AI cold calling. Let me just check. Show problems. Terminal error. What export says up. Okay, why did it mess up the whole? Let me just grab uh, Sam Altman. Damn, this guy has a Bugatti, or like this guy has a crazy good car. This is the image of Sam Altman. Elon. Who doesn't know Elon Musk? I mean, AI needs to get its shit together, man. Copy image address. This is the image of Elon Musk. It's these, like, it's not recommendations to say so. Mark Benolfi. Mark Benolfi. Mark Benolfi. This is Mark. Gary Vaynerchuk. Vaynerchuk. Not quite sure. I don't know. I don't want to butcher the spelling, so yeah. This is Gary. Make the photos a bit bigger and add an automatically rotating carousel. Let's just see. CEO Tesla and SpaceX. So this is how you could, like, now after everything is done, the only issue or the only things that you need to change are the nitty-gritties or the small parts of the website. Everything else is done, so you don't have to touch anything else. But yeah, but to keep changing the nitty-gritties in the website, I think instead of the diamond, I still think I should add like a demo form that allows the person to have a demo of the service. Let's see. So what do we got here? I think there's a lot of dead space, being honest. Wait. In the Just grab the picture. I think there's a lot of dead space. In the expert says there is a lot of dead space in the carousel. Fix that and make the font better. It is too italic. Because again, this whole part is just dead space. So instead of like keeping that space, maybe we could do something with it, or maybe we could just adjust the text that way. Let me think how else I could improve. Where was this? Okay. I could also like add all this. I do got like a hell lot of voice recordings which I could add at my end. Maybe I should add the voice recordings. Wait, I will add the voice recordings. So here are a few memes that I was looking through. But yeah, okay, we got music here. So these are the voice recordings that I have for this particular. So people have to think it's real before they actually go on to buy a product. So they need to know that AI can actually cold call and it's actually real, not kind of clumsy AI cold calls. So yeah, I'll show you. Yes, sir, that looks cool. Somehow this looks cool. This is what I'm talking about. The dead space is removed. I mean, there's still a bit of dead space, but I don't mind that much. Okay, now the question is, I want the people to be able to play an audio file while on the website of sample cold calls that our system made and converted. It might tell us, okay, like upload it on streamable audio samples. Wait, I'll ask ChatGPT what is like the best platform for audio hosting. Best platform for audio. Okay, I'm not doing that thing. I don't want to like host this best for audiobooks. Google Drive, yeah. Let's just go with Google Drive. Anything else is just an overkill. That is crazy. I just love this. Oh my god. Shit. I have four or five audio samples being honest, so I'll just open Drive. So this is how, like, if you were to like build anything of uh this level, you will need to know what you're doing first of all. So yeah, it's not untitled folder being honest. Oh shit. Where's my Drive? Audio samples cold calling. In this, I'll upload a few files. 1, 2, 3, 4. That should do. I think there's another file upload that I should be doing. So this one, I'm not kind of sure, but yeah, I think this is also. Share. I'll make the share to like copy with anyone with the link, so like no one cares and done. So yeah, I'll just share this one. I'll say I have 5 audio samples. Here are the links. I got 1, I got 2, I got 3, I got 4. Copy link. Okay. Copy link. Copy link. So like I'll just copy all the 5 links that I have for my call recordings. Copy link. Paste. So I got 4 and I think this one is the 5th one, the final one. Copy link. Copy the link. Hmm. Also, I just wanted to like take an inspiration from how Aroha has done this. So yeah, we cracked the code at B2B sales. I think I said rewrite repurpose this for cold calling. Here yourself like number one standalone. I mean anyone can be a self-proclaimed number one. So let me just not stay behind in this race. I'm also self-proclaimed best. The number one AI cold calling setup provider in the market. Add the following text in this section. It should be done. So this was like the basic stuff. Let's just see how this goes. So you gotta like get the person hooked to your message. Because personally, when I first saw Aloha's funnel, I was like, okay, this funnel is so good. Even I want to test it out. So had a look and then I realized, okay, so it's just some basic. Being honest, you might need like some good copywriting skills to make that kind of funnel. But once you got like someone to copy it from, I don't care. I just like okay, let me just take inspiration. I'm not copying. I'm just taking inspiration and just telling my AI, okay, but do it X Y Z. And it's gonna do it that way. So some crazy stuff right here. Let's just see how that goes. No, I just need to check if the audio samples are actually playing. Because if they are, then we have won. Like it's complete clean stroke. I don't think there's anything. Yeah, then you could also do a Supabase integration, which I'll show you in a moment. So I think this is gonna take its time, just because we have just added a whole lot of elements here, which. Oh. Okay, somehow it's not playing. Shit. So yeah, it's gonna go through all of that and then just fix everything and will give us an idea of what's wrong. Whew. So after it's all done, then we should probably get something that is just like industry grade stuff. So you got your. I'll also tell you how to add pages, but it's like it's relatively simple. I can also connect to Supabase so that I could add a database and save stuff there, but I don't want to do it right now. I think I'll showcase all the problems so that it's. I think now it will get fixed, most probably. I can directly change the text from here if required. So I mean, yeah, this is like the most basic stuff that I'm pretty impressed. If like this thing works out, I'll be genuinely impressed. And then you simply realize that Bolt isn't even that costly. It's just I think Bolt just gives you an unfair advantage against people that learn web design and spend like hours and hours and hours and like I'd say years learning web design, and then you could just come on and say, you know what, these 5 prompts will give you like a stunning website. Some crazy level shit, man. But yeah, I just love the fact that the audio should not look proper. If you're still not experienced, we may need to okay MP3 or WAV format. Okay, let's just do the WAV format. We might need to do that later on, but let's just hear. Shit, I can't hear shit. Wait, what? Audio on. Oh, what the hell? I'll just. So this is where there could be issues just because of the fact that not like the best way to. With better state management. So yeah, in the future, all you might need to know is how to prompt, how to speak basic English. That's like the requirement, and everything would be done. Heck, I even think that you don't even need to know how to speak basic English. All you could do is you could just say, you could just put it from your brain into the computer. That's how crazy it's gonna be. But yeah, man, cool stuff. Mm-hmm. Okay, audio playback is having issues because. But yeah, this OXYZ project, I'm just quite fascinated, being honest. So like first I thought like they would be building an AI CEO for like the whole for like every company, like for every company that wants a CEO, they will have a AI CEO. But then I realized that these guys are only talking about their specific company. But if it could control their specific company, I don't think anything is stopping it from like, controlling every company or like becoming a CEO of every company. Because yeah, being a CEO is like a really tiresome task, being honest. What the hell? Audio hosting service. SoundCloud. Where's SoundCloud? I don't even know stream. I just wanna. Like, I don't care about streaming or anything like that. I just want somewhere where my audio files are accessible from. Like I don't even care. They're on SoundCloud or stuff like that. Okay. I think in the worst case scenario, I might need to eventually move to SoundCloud just because I think this is having its fair share of troubles here. Except all. SoundCloud is another pain in the ass because you have to like go through all that additional stuff. What do they say on Reddit? Like Reddit is like the best place to find answers. That's cool. I might use Dropbox if it's that good, being honest. Generate a public URL link. Here's the example. Replace the URL www by DL. Okay, .dl. So remove DL, comma DL dot zero at the end. Okay. Weird stuff. So 30 days free trial. Oh, I don't need this. Sorry. I don't know why, but says audio available. Says audio unavailable. So I'll just upload everything here. But what was the instructions? Click on the share button, okay? Where is share? Transfer, send, and track. Share. Copy link. Copy link. Let's try Dropbox. Here are the links. I'll only keep like 4 links just because who can access? Only you. Okay. Share, copy link. Oops. Okay. Share, copy link. I'm using Dropbox, but again, a lot of errors. This is where you lose a lot. You lose like a whole chunk of time here because you're just trying to figure out what works, and till you figure it out, it's like 1 hour, 2 hours. So just see. There's a public download link. How am I supposed to do the public download link? That's weird. Okay. No, I'm good. I'm good. Manage permissions. I think this should work. This should technically work. Audio unavailable. Says audio un. Direct download format for Dropbox. Okay. Where can I find the direct download format? to get direct download link Dropbox. Some of the audio is still not available, which is a pain. I could add it to YouTube most probably, and that way it might work, but I'm not sure. I'll say fix this section. Fix this section. Oh shit, wait. So another thing to keep in mind is that if the picture does not load, it means Bolt cannot see it, which means the picture was not uploaded. So gotta be careful there. I think I'll add videos instead of audio files because audio is not working correctly. Kids are annoying. We could do that, and that way maybe we could add it. So then we can also add, I'd say, pages to this, that yeah, one page. But for most of the times, I would say no one's gonna look at your pages, being honest. They're all gonna like look at your website. So yeah, I mean, you can try pages, but not something that I would prefer. I would recommend. You cancel this message. You can, and let me think about this. Is like update source component to DL's Dropbox. Not very sure of this. Somehow it's not playing. Any of this is not playing, which is weird. Maybe I need to get a video URL. That's like the last thing. Last thing last. You'll convert this into a video and you'll get a video URL. That's like the last thing we'll do. I think I might also need to add like a pricing stuff, something like this. So yeah. For the wall of success, I mean, even I could get that. So yeah, what is this? So these are not, being honest, I don't know what success this is. Thank you, my brother. Hell, ha ha ha, amazing. Pumped to hear it. Crushing in the space, brother. It's like, it sounds like some locker room talk, and with all these extra emojis, he has made it seem like, okay, like he's actually getting paid for that stuff. But yeah, so Black Evolution. So yeah, maybe I could just, Omniverse support. Yeah, so maybe I could add some. I'm not selling Omniverse, something like that, being honest. But yeah, let me just see what this has. Unlimited AI calls. I'll copy all of this. And oh, add a pricing section. $2,500 unlimited. $700 500 calls a day. unlimited agents, unlimited leads, 600 million free lead database, done. Do it yourself, DIY. DIY setup. What extra was there? I think a white glove onboarding. Yep. Maybe I could also add all of this. Like, sounds cool, so might as well just add it. 5 fully customizable. For 5,000, 550, it would be 500 calls a day. Thousand calls a day, unlimited agents, human realistic, lower latency, plus additional weekly lead sourcing, DWY setup, done with you up to with advanced objection handling. And automated bookings and advanced, okay, that looks, multi-channel outreach plus social media plus build your own workflow. Advanced dashboard with conversion tracking plus weekly report and bi-weekly expert optimization. So this is the offer. Offer needs to be solid so that the person is willing to pay. Weekly strategy consultant with outreach experts and 24/7 outreach helper plus priority support. I think this one I might price at $15,000 per month. Let's just take a turn at $20,000. Unlimited calls. At the lowest latency. Lowest latency. expressive features like and as. And leads plus additional lead sourcing plus manual lead fetching for highest quality leads. DFI setup, done for you setup. You setup with by industry experts for highest ROI. Legal protection against any problems faced due to AI cold calling to unlimited advanced persuasion and personalized calling, multi-channel outreach plus social media outreach, dynamic workflows, build your own workflow plus completely autonomous system plus direct access to industry experts. Highest priority support. So I've spent so much time building this. Let's just see how that goes. So you gotta. So first of all, yeah, we are saving them almost like, I don't know, for 400,000 rupees every year for like a 10 people AI cold calling team, and what we're charging them is 20,000 per month, which is like, and it's like unlimited cold callers. So like you're replacing like a whole cold call center with a single $20,000 plan. So anyone with the right mind would surely take that. So I mean, it depends on the requirement in the end. So if the person has small requirements, he could just go for $2,500 plan with all the stuff included, advanced stuff like that, and then I mean some basic stuff and all of that. So let's just see. Yeah, I also have to give it a prompt that make it suitable for mobiles and stuff like that. Weird stuff. Let me just check. I think I've just overloaded this whole thing, but I think it's worth it. The pricings, yeah. Starter professional enterprise, yeah, looks good. Unlimited calls, unlimited agents, humanistic lowest features, and hours, unlimited leads, so weekly lead sourcing, manual lead fetching for highest quality, DFI, cold calling issues, customizable scripts, schedule free consultation. So yeah, we could be doing all of that. So looks kind of cool. I'd say choose a power plan, make the pricing page more interactive. As that being done, also on the pricing, yeah, contact would be like, yeah, contact would could directly just take that guy to here, like ready to automate your sales, something along those lines. And yeah, I mean, looks decent to me till now. Looks very decent to me, and more interactive. I don't think we need more pages after this. AI that calls on autopilot. I had a question mark after autopilot. I think I'll just remove the diamond thing. It looks shitty as hell. Maybe I'll remove that, yeah. I think I could also add something along the lines of used by top industry leaders, like I'll add like some. Again, they're not my clients, they're just used by top industry leaders. So if that makes sense, we have to play smart. You don't have clients, but you could say these guys are already using these services and you are not. So you're gonna get left in the dust by these tech giants. So let me just think, okay? Companies using AI cold calling. Companies like Chorus AI Insight. Okay, I'm not looking at all of this. AI is just too expensive. No. Yeah, so hello everyone, this is Shreyas Spondency with Apex AI. Actually, I was recording this website tutorial and I realized that the recording has stopped midway. So I'll just walk you through of what I did when the recording was stopped. I didn't do much. I just added this endorsed by the best button. We got about, we go in the features. So features, we got all these different features here. I just said, you know what, map this the header buttons to sections in the website. We got pricing, we got contact, we got all of that. Okay, so yeah, additionally what I did was I added a Supabase integration. So if I were to go to Supabase, I added a Supabase integration where, you know, if you're supposed to, if I type out anything in this thing, in this inquiry page, some random stuff. So the Supabase integrations allows you to like add data or store data into a database, and just a second. Yeah. So just simply like you could just submit a inquiry form. So if I have to refresh this, if you submit the inquiry form, the data would be added to this backend, and you would just view all the data here. Additionally, what you could also do, so I'll just tell you how to do this integration real quick. So I saw everything, all of this. Go to John Doe, just type out some random stuff, and as it says submitted, we'll get the data here. So it's like a backend database. You could store all the data that your customers input. I think it was this one, yeah. Anyways, yeah, so this was it, and then you could just so how you're supposed to do this. For that, I'll go to home, just grab the Supabase project URL and API key, paste it here, and tell the AI agent that for this particular form, you're supposed to like store data in the backend. That's all, and AI will do the rest. It's pretty easy. Also, I'll just do some small tweaks. So that's all I did, being honest. And I just removed the diamond thing because the diamond didn't look good. I said remove the diamond, and this is like the this is the website that we have right now. The cold calling operations is bleeding money. Being honest, I think if I could make this plain text, that would be great. So if click on stop wasting money today, I think that this should be fixed. So yeah, under the export say button, the arrow buttons are not visible. They are under the card. That's what I did. Of the camera, being honest, I just did the Supabase integration. That was it, and also yeah, I also showed you how to deploy this website on live domain. So RapidX AI.live. This website is hosting this particular website. So yeah, this is how it is, and it's very very cool, being honest. So yeah, how I did this one, I'll tell you that as well. So first we go to Netlify, then we go to Namecheap or Namecheap, whatever hosting provider is. I'm not quite sure, but yeah. Okay, I need to sign up. Damn, which one should I use? What is this one? I think it won't let me log in, or even if I do log in, it's gonna ask me for that key or something like that. Go back to Gmail. So for that, I mean, all you need to do is migrate the DNS records, which might not sound that simple, but it is fairly simple. So I'll show you. Grab this video. So here you will have like 4 DNS records, like for appex.live. I'll just go to domain management. This is my domain. To go to DNS panel, I have these 4 DNS records that I have to put into the name server of the website. So, oops, I don't think I got logged in, being honest. I don't think I got logged in. Yeah. So, you have to put all of this in the name servers panel, and then it's all done. Also, if there is like anything under that name server panel, I'll show you it. First, click on show, copy, paste, git submit. What is wrong with this? I did like put code in like this, but this will be a third time. I don't know what Namecheap is doing, but anyways, copy, paste, submit. Finally logged into Namecheap, going to domains. For this one, I got rapidxci.xyz. Okay, I'll go to manage. Under manage, as you could see, for you guys, name servers, it would be set to Namecheap basic DNS. But for like, if you want your website to appear on the main domain, you need to turn it into custom DNS, and under custom DNS, add these 4 DNS records. After you do this, I'll tell you one thing: this DNS will not work. So if you have added any DNS records here, they will not work. You need to add them in Netlify so that all the DNS records are valid, like private email, whatever you are using. Maybe you're using email, so add the DKIM records, DMARC, SPF. You got you got to add all the records in here. That's all. Then you just grab this, go to domain, paste it here, and it's done. So once you do that, you will click on save. It's going to take a while, and then you could see your website on the particular domain. So yeah, I mean, let me check. Okay. Gotta grab a snip, because AI needs to understand what I'm talking about here. Buttons are overlapping the card. I would also like to tell the AI that there's a lot of dead space in the pricing. Also a lot of dead space in the pricing sections. So, I mean, that's what I did, being honest. And a website could never be good. Like, it could never be perfect. You need to keep changing, keep iterating, keep adding new stuff. So yeah, this would, like, I would call this a day. The website looks damn cool. And I mean, being honest, I might eventually start using this for myself. But yeah, this was it. So yeah, pretty basic, I'd say. Landing page. Yeah. I mean, it looks better than most of the most of the stock landing pages that WordPress and all the websites give you. And it only took us like 2.5 hours, 3 hours at max. I mean, I did a bit of stuff off camera, so the Supabase integration was a pain in the ass, but we did it. So yeah, I mean, it looks pretty fairly good, and you guys could start using this or like implement this on your in your end, and get a great website up and running. So your clients think, okay, I mean, these guys have a crazy website, and they're just gonna, like, they would just get a vibe that you guys are actually professional, because a website is like a reflection of a business, as you could see. Yeah, okay, so it didn't do shit with this. I don't mind, that's like, okay, I mean, I just don't want to like waste much more tokens on this. But yeah, I mean, looks cool. I think it's still updating the pricing section, so yeah. Now, if you want to update the website, go to open StackBlitz, save this as another repo, and then under sites, go to rapidxai.live where we have deployed this. It's set to manual deploys, so go to deployment, deploy settings, links repository. So I'll just show you guys how to do that. Wait. And this thing looks kind of cool, being honest. So let's see. Okay, I'll open in StackBlitz. Call this ABC something. Yeah, wait. Cold calling. So it's another repository, a completely different repository here. You could also push updates to the prior repository, but I think that's kind of complex. So instead, you do this. It's much easier. I'll go to GitHub. I think I messed up spelling of cold. So copy the name. Just so you know, it's much easier to find the repo. Paste. And I think it should be here. Yeah, it is here. Just deploy cold calling, and it's going to get deployed on the same domain that you just deployed your main website. So yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful. I think this is a long one, being honest. I might need to do a bit of editing here. But yeah, it looks good. Now I'll just move on to micro SaaS, on how to build a micro SaaS for your business. And yeah, see you later. Thanks for watching. Follow for more.